greetings to all my fellow crypto enthusiasts. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. Be sure to hit that like button, drop me a comment, and click the subscribe button down below so more people can benefit from the knowledge we're sharing in this video. I thank everyone who subscribes to my channel. We are on the right path. We're going to be discussing everything. Internet computer. If you like this kind of update, do smash that like button and hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already. But now let's get right into it. As far as the entire market is concerned, we're seeing most of the coins down a little bit. As far as ICP is concerned, it's down about 4.3% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. But remember, guys, over the past week and the past month, we're seeing massive amounts of growth for the entire space. So let's not forget that when we are analyzing the charts, but let's take it a step further for internet computers and see what is happening for the price. So as of February 20th, you guys can see the price is currently sitting at $13.51. We're also down about 6% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Now, if we're looking at its market cap, it continuously is holding strong above that $6 billion mark. To be exact, $6.2 billion. The 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $188.7 million, which is not bad at all. But before we go into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So, of course, we had a bullish announcement that has come out today, and that is for Valor. If you don't know, Valor is a DeFi technology company. And what they have done today is that they have announced an ETP, not an ETF ETP, for none other than ICP. So you can see this for yourself. One Valor Internet Computer Physical Staking. And as you guys know, we're approaching Bitcoin happening. And we know retail interest is going to boom, especially in Q3 and Q4. And companies like Valor are getting prepared for that interest, that demand coming in. And this is exciting, of course, and this can give us an indication as to why we were seeing ICP making some massive moves before the entire market was going. Maybe this was one of the core reasons, but what you can see is One Valor Internet Computer Physical Staking is an exchange-traded product, which is an ETP that tracks the price of ICP, the native token used to power the internet computer ecosystem. And of course, it kind of goes over the brief description of internet computers. It says the internet computer is a blockchain project that aims to create a decentralized and scalable internet infrastructure by allowing smart contracts to run directly on its networks, eliminating the new 4 traditional server-based architectures. It seeks to enable a new paradigm of web development where applications are hosted natively on the blockchain, providing greater security, efficiency, and accessibility. And this is why people are excited, right? I'm sure if you guys have just gotten a brief introduction about ICP, this kind of gives you a brief look at what they're doing and what they're solving. They're solving something that we use on a day-to-day basis, trying to make the internet decentralized. That's huge. But if it's able to get to that level, ICP could be massive. And that's what people are speculating on. And that is why there's so much interest in ICP right now. So let's take it a step further. If we're looking at BTC dominance, Bitcoin dominance is picking up a little bit, but still sitting at 53.1. So not much has changed. I would say that if we're looking at Bitcoin's price, though, you can see this for yourself. Bitcoin did make its way up to $52,384. We're seeing a little bit of a minor pullback, and that is why we're seeing a little bit of a red across the board. As you can see, nothing major, just minor pullback. But one thing you guys want to continuously remember is that we're seeing the price of BTC closing once again above $52,000. So February 20th. So today's daily candle has closed above 52,000, which is a really good thing and shouldn't be ignoring that. So that is giving us a bullish indication for BTC. Bitcoin is holding strong around this resistance. And I think sometime this week or maybe next week, we will see Bitcoin pushing up towards the upside. And of course, that is going to be very exciting to say the least. But now let's take a look at internet computers, because right now what you're looking at ICP doing is seeing, of course, a little bit of a minor pullback. And if I were to bring out the measuring tool for you guys and measure this move, we're down about 7.5 to be exact compared to yesterday. So could this be due to the ETP announcement sale? The news event did take place, especially for the people who were buying it before the announcement. Remember, guys, there are insiders. So what I mean by insiders is Valor, or people that work for Valor, or people that know someone that works here might know some inside information before the public knows. So what they do is they buy chunks of assets. In this case, could be ICP. And again, this is speculation before the announcement. So this is what could be happening right now. But if you're looking at the chart for ICP, especially on the daily time frame, it's not showing any sort of weakness right now. Even after seeing a little bit of a pullback, what you're seeing is an upward trajectory. This is one of the best looking charts in my opinion, especially on the daily time frame. You guys can see this for yourself. Higher highs, higher lows. It wants to push towards that $16 price point. And I think we will see that sooner than a lot of people think, especially now when you realize how big this is. As of now, especially if you're a newcomer, you might not realize this, but this is massive. And there's the clientele that comes to these companies wanting to get into these tips. And as we know, ETFs are a huge, huge, huge narrative for this cycle. We're seeing some of the biggest institutions bringing in ETFs, and that is because they see the potential. They know how much interest every year. I'm sorry, not every year. Every bull cycle after the happening, how much interest comes into the crypto space. So they're prepared, they're ready to go, and they're going to be making massive amounts of profits, in my opinion, in this cycle. So if you're looking at ICP right now, of course, it is below that support line. And I've given you guys the importance of that support line at $13.63. We're very, very close. But what you want to see ICP doing is closing back above that. You want to stay above that resistance as much as possible because this is a crucial, crucial level of resistance. And I'm sure you've guys seen that at this point. As long as we're able to stay above here, I think we will see a new yearly high coming very fast. And again, if you want to put that into perspective, look at it for yourself. Just a few days back, we did see ICP going up to $15. We were only away about 8.34% for us to hit a new yearly high. So these are some factors you need to keep in mind. But I'm very, very convinced that the move that we saw up to $15 was due to insiders. But let me know down below what you guys think. Do you guys think it's something else? Do you guys think like me that this was insider purchasing ICP? Before this announcement, I would love to know your thoughts down below, but overall things are looking good. The trend is in an upward trajectory, as you can see, especially if you understand that we're seeing an upward trajectory forming for ICP. And I think we will see that pop out sooner rather than later than everyone is waiting for. But yeah, I would love to know your thoughts down below. And if you guys have any specific projects that are being built on ICP that you guys want me to take a look at, do let me know in the comments down below, because I know there is a lot of interest coming into the blockchain itself. Not just from retail, but I'm sorry, developers as well. So excitement is definitely in the air. So far, so good. We're going to take it one step at a time. Love to know your thoughts down below. I hope you understand this video, and don't forget to support my channel by giving me a like, dropping me a comment, and subscribing to enjoy more interesting updates.